Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will start a new topic 17.2 area of a parallelogram and trapezium. Okay. Here in this shape, actually, I will tell you what is the difference between this rectangle and trapezium. Actually, it's look like this parallelogram. Its shape is look like this, like you have a square rectangle and you are just trying to close it. So this closing way is look like a parallelograms. Okay. So parallelogram have two triangles. Look at here. One triangle is here and another is here. Okay, and this one is equal to 90 degrees. So you can also find this. So what is the formula of parallelogram? It's base multiplied by height, because this part is same as this part. So this part, if you put this part here, so it's same. Okay, so sorry, this part. Okay, so this part and this part are same. So we just say like area of rectangle, it's same. But if I'm talking about if both sides, let's suppose both sides are not same, okay, the height of the parallelogram must be the perpendicular to the height of the height. Okay. Now, if this type of parallelogram you can face, no, it's a trapezium, sorry. Okay, now look at the trapezium. What we need to do, first of all, e plus b, we add these two numbers, okay, then later multiply by height, so then you will get your answer. Okay, so because we both are not same, so just because of this we just add, and then we will do the next thing. And the area of one trapezium is the half of the area of the parallelogram, so it's look like a half of the parallelogram. So what we need to do, we just multiply by half. Yeah, here you have a parallelogram look like this, so you just add these two number and multiply by height. But if you are talking about trapezium, so trapezium is different. Trapezium, why it's different? Because it's equal to area is equal to one and a half a plus b multiplied by height. Now look at here, we have two shapes, parallelogram and trapezium. So 7 multiplied by 535. So you can write answer here. But here 18 plus 12, that is equal to 30. 30 multiplied by 8. Okay. Divided by 2. So you will get your answer. Okay, so same as it is, you need to write the formula. Okay, parallelogram, so you just multiply these two and you will get your answer. But in this case, you just add these two numbers, then multiply by 3.6 and then divide it by 2. So these three things you need to do, and then you will get your answer. As it is same, you will do this in all this chapter. So we already discussed everything here. So here, question number 6, he said trapezium has the area. He just gave us the area. So here I write 1500. That is millimeter square. So once I convert this into milli to centi, so it's equal to we will remove 10, then it's equal to centi. So this one is equal to centimeter square. Now what? The length of its parallel side is equal to 4.8 centimeter and 5 point. Okay, so its parallel side is one is 4.8 and one other is 5.2 plus 4.8, and here is multiplied by b divided by 2. So this 2 is in here, it's equal to 300 divided by this 2 add we add, and it's equal to 10. So our height will be, so the height will be 30. So with the help of this you can get these answers. I hope you understand. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.